So check. Right. Actually, today live streams using my Sony card. Yeah, this one is made from. I mean, the sounds came from Topware PH Live Sound card, and yeah, I'm trying to combine videos and audios, and also I'm trying to draw something later on here. So hopefully you guys enjoy. And then wait, I'm going to try for some audio. If you think that you guys want to, yeah, want to ask me something just related with the lesson, it's okay. You can try now to type in the chat box. But yeah, all right. Now we're going to start to draw something here. First of all, actually, yeah. Wait, I'm going to get something. Okay, I am trying to actually testing the audio. I'm just trying to testing that this one is working or not. Hello. Hi everyone. Testing one, testing one. Wait, I'm going to test the audio first. Well, I don't know why this one is happening. I cannot play the audio. What's wrong with this one? Check one, two, check. Okay. Why this one cannot be played? I don't know. Oh my god, this one is really hard. How to make the audio come out? Right, let's try. So basically, we're going to draw something here. Okay, first of all, if just for example, your name is maybe Noah. Just draw something just like this. And this will be your name. And we're going to put the point here. Check. For example, you creating your name like this, Noah. Yes, and then for the last one, we can check. right like that, and then now we're try to put the skin for your work, I think for your work, for your letter, like this. For example, your name is Noah, right? This one. And then right after that, this is the point. We're going to head into. I want you to just notice that this is the point. All the things will go to one point here. Ready? Check. All right. I'm going to use some tools, which is uh, this one is very hard. I'm using my ruler here. And everything will be goes to this line. I mean to this point. Yeah. We're going to use one point perspective like that. Everything that goes to this point. This one and this. Everything, even this one, the side of the wall will be will be grabbed to one point perspective here. Like this. Cool. Now we're going only cut everything until this area. Okay. So we're going to continue making it more. I'm going to trace it down again one more time. This on the line again, like that. This one also. This. Like that. And then I'm using my guideline here, the horizontal one. I'm going to connect everything here. Like that. And then for the rest of this one, I'm going to use this kind of straight line here. Right. Most likely the result will be like this. Yeah. Then now it's time for us only to color this one. I'm going to color the graffiti, the word. I'm going to color the outside of the word itself. Like I'm using orange now, highlighter, and yeah, something like this. This is the side of the left hand side. And then now I'm focusing on trying to color the outside of the word. I mean outside of the letter like this. Now, as you can see, that the word, I mean the letter now becoming more thick, and then yeah, it's creating like a building, like a 3D illusion. I mean illusion is 3D. Sorry. And then what else? This is the way how you guys, uh, yeah, yeah. It most likely it will be looks like this. Now I'm going to color the word. Okay, I'm going to use yellow. Okay, most likely the result of our graffiti work will be look like this. That's it. I'm going to do it again one more time. Yeah, just in case that you guys still don't understand how to do it. Right, I'm going to use one new paper here, and then yeah. First of all, first thing that you need to do is you will work using your pencil, and then second one is uh, using your creativity. Okay, ready? Now, for example, your name is David, or just a simple word like the first one is Noah. Now we're going to pretending that your name is maybe what? Yeah. Oh, maybe just art. Yeah, just art or what? Yeah, we're going to use just only David now. David, use David first. Use very soft line. Just write down your name like that with using capitals, letter, or yeah, whatever you want. Okay, I'm writing a name, a David name here. I don't know whether you can see it or not. After that, I'm going to put some skin on the letter that I wrote just now. I'm going to use black marker to make it more clear, yeah, to make it more clear. Okay, now I'm drawing the outside part of my letter like that. This is usually the first time. Oh, maybe I'm going to use this one first so that you guys can see my sketch before. I'm using pencil like this. I'm writing somebody's name called David, kind of this kind. Okay, just pretending that I'm using my pencil and this yellow color representing a pencil. Why I cover it with yellow? Just in case, I mean that because you maybe cannot see the pencil itself. That's why I cover it with yellow. But do not follow me. Do not using yellow, okay? You just move pencil, it's okay. Now, after you're using your pencil, I want you to create a line just outside the yellow line, this one, like this one. Just make the skin, make the word, I mean, make the letter a little bit more thicker like this. Okay, this is the simple one how to create to make your letter becoming more fat because you added some skin outside it like that. And then yeah, I put the outside line of this sketches like that. David, okay. If you want to put something, for example, yeah, adding more object like that, it's also possible. Yeah. Now I'm going to we are going to create some perspective that making this letter becoming more thickness. Okay. Now we're going to put some what we call it the one perspective point here. I'm sorry, maybe this one is not related with the we call it the title because at the first time my the title is talking about the 2 point perspective, but now it's becoming 1 point perspective. It's okay. Maybe at another time we're going to continue making this kind of thing using two vanishing point or two uh, point perspective. Now I'm using one. and I put it in the middle bottom of this uh, letter, this name, and we're going to create everything goes or everything pull to this line. Okay, something like this, and then yeah, we're going to create everything this goes to this line. Okay, first of all, we're going to use this kind of thing. I'm going to use my ruler to make it more straight. I grab the line here, goes to this point. Okay, this one also, the edges of the word, I'm going to grab it to this line also, like that. And then for this one, this is the edge of the letter, like that. And then grab the line again, like this one. This also. And then also this one, the side of the, and then this one also. This is, yeah, we're going to create a new out of line. All you need to do is just uh, find the spot, find the last or the, the edges of the letter like this kind of thing. And then for this one, because this one is so far, I'm just using this. I need to go only until this area, yeah. And then this kind of thing, yeah, like that. So I don't need to draw it because it will be covered by this because the E, I mean the A will be at the front of the D. This is the guideline. This is the imaginary line. I mean that this one is very soft. You can only see on this area, cannot be seen on this area because it's will be covered by this A later on. Right now, I'm going to trace all the line with marker with this kind. I mean with black marker. Ready? Cover it now. Like that. Goes to this line. Cover it again. Also. Yes, I am now trying to create the illusional 3D effect of this world. So you see now the illusional effect of the world itself now becoming more appear. Looks really cool for me. And then after that, we're going to color it. Yeah, I will using orange. This is a very basic one. After this, we're going to learn again one more time, but make it more detailed. Now I think it is enough for us. I mean, it's okay for us to just learn about something starting from the simple one first. That's why I'm using a chat box. If you have any question or maybe you need some clarification of some part, Just ask me. Okay. I really like to use highlighter. I don't know why, because maybe because the colors look so bright and really cool. That's why I really like uh, highlighter or working with the watercolor. Okay, something like that. Then for the word, this one, you guys can use any color you like, or yeah, you even can use any technique you want. For example, maybe you want to use crayon or watercolor, up to you. Yeah, this is the first and very basic things how to draw, how to create your graffiti word using one point perspective rules, something like this. You will create the illusional, uh, the illusional 3D of this word, something like this. And if you guys have any questions, please type it in the chat box or comment below. And don't forget, if you think that really helpful and then you want to get the latest information on how to learn everything from me, just subscribe, please, please, please. I need you guys to subscribe my channel so that this channel becoming more big and big later on. Okay, I don't know who is now online. I mean, yeah, I see that two people's now are online, and then but I'm not really sure who are you guys. If you want to put your response, just write something on the chat box. Okay, that's it for today. Maybe we're going to learn to continue to learn about something again tomorrow. Okay, we will going to meet again on tomorrow on 4:30 p.m. Indonesian time. And then yeah, if you think that you're interested to, I mean that if you found that if yourself is interested to learn something new maybe, or you want to give me some feedback, just leave some comments, and yeah, I will be so happy to respond it, and I'm going to do it one by one if I still have the time later on. Okay, that's it, everybody. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and see you again tomorrow at 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. Indonesian time. Thank you so much, and bye bye.